Curious about how to get your Mailerlite emails looking professional without breaking the bank on a domain name? Let's dive into the real options. While a completely free, custom domain for Mailerlite isn't directly offered, we're going to explore smart workarounds to give your email campaigns a professional touch. The most common and practical approach is utilizing a subdomain. Think of it as a branded extension of an existing domain you might already own or have access to. For instance, if you have a personal website at example.com, you could create a subdomain like newsexample.com or up to testexample.com specifically for your Mailerlite campaigns. Many web hosting providers, even those with free tiers or affordable plans, allow you to easily create subdomains. You'll typically log into your hosting account, navigate to a domain management section, and find an option to add a new subdomain once created. You'll then connect this subdomain to your Mailerlite account within their settings. Another fantastic strategy involves free hosting services to create landing pages that integrate with Mailerlite services like GitHub Pages, Netlify, or even WordPress.com's free tier can host simple, visually appealing landing pages. You can design a landing page to collect email addresses, promote a specific lead magnet, or announce your newsletter. Then, you'll use Mailerlite's integration features to connect the sign-up form directly to your email list, all hosted on your free platform, effectively bypassing the need for a dedicated domain solely for Mailerlite. This way, your subscribers sign up through a professional page without you needing to purchase a separate domain name. It's a smart way to leverage free resources and maintain a credible brand presence for your email marketing right from the start. By understanding these domain and hosting options, you can ensure your Mailerlite campaigns look polished and professional, even on a budget.